See me dancing, dancing, dancing. Come on, join me, sing hallelujah. Oh, Jehovah Jireh has done me well. Come on, join me, sing hallelujah. Oh, Jehovah Jireh has done me well. Come on, join me. Come on, join me. Good day to you, wherever you may be. Yes, so I greet you all in the name of the Lord. I really appreciate you all so far. You all are wonderful people to have in life. Yes, yes, I keep thanking God for meeting you guys. I keep thanking you all, my friends, my family. You people are wonderful. I wonder what I would have done without you guys. Yes, so we made it. We made it to this extent, and I know we keep going, we keep moving. Thank you so much. Yes, so this is the Google Adsense. They sent it to us. We got monetized September 21st, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, I got the letter today. I think it's just a month. I got it on my mailbox, not email. Not email. It was my mailbox. I know very soon some of my friends are going to get theirs. Don't mind that noise. They are going to get theirs very soon. So I decided that we all are going to do the opening together. We are doing it together with me. Yes, so you guys made it possible for us to get this today. So in front, you see Google Adsense. If undeliver, please return to. I think this is their address. Then this is my address. Then you have the Google Adsense in front. So remove side edges. So if you want to remove it, it's written on it anyway. It's written on it. This was how I got it, not in other envelope. This is exactly how I got it from my mailbox this morning. And today is 23rd of October. So it was so we are going to be doing the opening together, guys. Hope you guys are with me. Hope you guys are with me. We are going to be removing it. Remove the side edges. So for those of us that will be getting our own very soon, so you know how to go about it. I wasn't even expecting it now. That was the truth. I know they said after a month anyway, but I was just thinking maybe more tending. So I hope I'm doing it the right way because I followed the instruction of what is written on it. You just have to be careful. Like what I noticed. You have to be careful when removing it. Mommy. Breakthrough. Sorry guys, sorry for that. So I'm still doing the opening. I'm doing it gently so that it's not tear anyhow. You guys made it possible. So we are into this together. I'm removing it. You guys are watching me. So what next? What next? Remove side edges. So you remove side edges from this. After removing both, then remove this side too. Depends on you, but I think it's the edges you need to remove. So I've opened it now. I've removed it. Remove the one below, up on the side. So this is it. Let me see what is written. your Google Adsense personal identification number pin. Okay, this is the pin that they are talking about. Okay, welcome to Google Adsense. To enable payment for your account, please follow these steps. Okay, there is step 1, there is step 2, there is step 3, there is step 4 that you need to follow. Step 1, sign into your Adsense account at this their Google. You sign into it with the email address and password you use during the application process, so it should not be changed. That is what this place is telling you. You have a Google account that you'll be using. Break to reduce it. Don't disturb me, sorry. Thank you. So you should not change the password, you should not change your Google address. I think that is what this place is saying. Then step 2, click the gel icon and select payment. Okay, so there's payment attached to it. I never knew. We are getting to know this step by step. Thank you so much for this, guys. You guys made it possible for us. You guys made it possible for us. Step 3, in the left navigation bar, click account information, then click verify address. This, I think you will do this with your desktop. Yes, you need your desktop to do this. Step 4, enter your PIN as it appears on the right and click submit PIN. My PIN is there. I'm not going to show you guys. Yes, it's 6 figure. Okay, if you are sent your, I don't know if it's going to be 6 figure. It's 6 figure that is here. Yes, so thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate every one of you for making this possible for us to achieve. Yes, I think this is the first stage after monetization. So don't worry, I'm going to be getting you informed. I'm going to be updating you of what happened. Yes, if you guys want us to make money, you guys know what to do now. But if you don't want us to make money, you guys know what to also do. That is the truth. I thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I was not expecting this today at all. I know they said after a month, but I was just thinking maybe month end, or I know definitely we will get there. It's something that we will definitely get. This time is fast spent. I never knew it's up to a month. Today is 23rd already. Yes, 21st of September. So for those of us that will get monetized very soon, yes, you will get this after a month. Your Adsense account, your Google Adsense, yes, you will get it after a month. It's something that every one of us will get. That's just the truth. I got mine on my mailbox, not email, but with what is there. The PIN, I will need to put it on my email, not that I will send it back to them. No, it's going to be on my email. Don't worry, I'm going to get you updated on what is going on ahead. Then I want to use this medium to appreciate every one of you that is there. My friends, my family, you guys are wonderful. We don't know what we would have done without you guys. We will not be able to achieve this. That's just the truth. We will not be able to achieve this. But because you guys stood by us, you guys told us, go, you can make it. That is why I'm receiving this today. That's just the truth. That's why I'm receiving this today, and I thank you so much. I remember even before now, we changed an apartment. The address I used before, it was not giving me stress. I said, how am I going to change it? Someone among my friends said, no, you don't need to think too much about it. There are ways out. You always get a way out. So I'm using this medium to tell other people too. Maybe you are in my own situation. You move from one apartment to another apartment and you need to change your address. There is no two ways about it. You need to go to setting. Yes, from setting you'll be able to change your address. Give them the correct address. Yes, give them the correct address, the present address, your recent address that you are. I know you will get yours. Thank you so much, everyone. I appreciate it. Don't mind me. You are seeing my hair. Don't mind me. It's old age. It's old age. Yes, don't mind me. So people will be like, are you that old? Let me just tell you the truth, the gospel truth, nothing but the truth. I'm not in the court anyway. I have a sister, my cousin. If you see her hair, she's not that old. Everything is gray. Yes, it is. She now told me maybe she will go and be dyeing it. I said, leave it like that. Leave it like that. If she want to buy it, she will buy the gray color. So I'm not going to dye my own. I will leave it like that. My husband is not complaining. So I know you guys also, you are not complaining. You are my friends, you are my family. You guys are not complaining. Thank you so much. Don't mind me. Sometimes I like to joke. I'm just kidding. I'm joking. Thank you so much, everyone. I appreciate you for making us to go this far. Yes. So what am I going to do after following it? Following the step, the way I did it. I will let you know what happened later. Their response, I will let you guys know. Don't worry. Don't worry. We are into this together. I don't have here. I'm going to. We are into this together. Thank you so much, everyone. I really appreciate you all. I appreciate you all for the love that you people are showing towards this family. I pray God will continue to bless you. Yes, I'm going to use this medium to sing a song to appreciate God. Come on, join me, sing hallelujah. Oh, Jehovah Jireh has done me well. Come on, join me, sing hallelujah. Jehovah Jireh has done me well. Come and join me. Come and join me, sing hallelujah. Oh, Jehovah Jireh has done me well. Come and join me, sing hallelujah. Jehovah Nissi has done me well. Thank you so much to my old subscribers. You are boom. You are wonderful. Yes, so thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And for those that are still waiting to subscribe, what are you guys waiting for? Subscribe, just press that red button. The bell will come up. Then you click on the bell so that you'll be the first to get the notification whenever we upload a new video. Yes, whenever we upload a new video, you'll be the first to get it. So don't forget, because some people always tell me that I'm always forgetting ringing your bell. I don't get your notification, but after a while I will think of you. I will not go there. I will see that you've uploaded a new video. So guys, that is it. Sometimes it happens. I remember I sent something to someone. I don't know what is really going on, but I know there's mix up somewhere. Maybe it's network issue. I don't know. I saw that I subscribed to someone, and when I checked the person's video, the person uploaded a new video, and I saw that it's red. I said, how come red? I checked, I said red. I said no, I didn't unfollow this person. How come it's showing red? I screenshot the something. When I saw it that way, I screenshot it and sent it to the person. The person replied, said, now wow. That was what the person said. I was not like, no, maybe it's network problem or something. Because I never unfollowed the person. This happened just yesterday. So I went to other people's building. That is how I do it sometimes when I'm less busy. I go to people's building to visit them, especially those that leave comment on my comment section. I try to go to theirs too. On getting there, I saw the same thing. Then I told myself, I said, first, it wasn't a mistake. Second, not a mistake. I saw the third one again. I saw it red. I said, no. There's something wrong somewhere. So I just said, it is red. Because what I was doing, immediately I saw that red one, I clicked on it to subscribe. Because I know I didn't unfollow the person. I clicked on it to follow the person. But I noticed the bell was on immediately. Even when the second one happened, I clicked the third one. I said no, I won't do it again. It's like there's something wrong somewhere. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. I appreciate you. I know it's network problem. It's not your fault. It's not my fault. It was network. You get there. It's just step by step. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a nice time. Take care of yourself. Wherever you are. Take care of yourself and be good. Do good things. Yes. Don't do what I will not do. Bye. Take care of yourself. I love you all.